Yeah, hello here from IMAEDIA.de. We are now making a sound test as requested on YouTube. Some people said there may be issues with the speaker changing tracks, and maybe I said in the test there's a little distortion when playing louder in the bass. So that's why we are making here this test, and I'm playing some songs, skipping some songs, and then turning up the bass. And yeah, I don't know if it works to hear it later on the video, but yeah, let's test it. I think, and I hope that you now could hear that there's no really distortion when changing the track or something else. And yeah, now I'll show you when I put off the bass. That's now the maximum. That's the mid. There are 5 steps and this is step 3. I think that's okay. This is now the bass at the lowest volume, so I think that's also well enough if you're not that kind into bass or wanted more natural sound and not that heavy bass. I think that's the best position, 1 or 2 for the bass. If you heard it or not heard it, even when I'm skipping some part of the track and he's starting again, there's no issue in distortion. So yeah, or any noises. So yeah, if you have further questions, then ask and we'll maybe can answer it or make another video. Thank you.